How to enroll to the course? Are you new to the course? Please enroll. This is quite easy. I'll show you step by step. First click Login to enroll. You will see the interface like this, the white interface for the login and the right side greenish interface for the registration. If you have already registered, you can log in easily. Put your username or email and password. Then click Login. If you have not registered yet, don't worry. Please give your username and email. Then click Register. You will see the following information. Registration successful. Please check your email to set the password. In your email, you will see the link like this. Click the link and set your password. The tips for the password: the password is at least 12 characters long. You can use digits, symbols, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Please remember this email and password. Your registration is completed. Then click Login. Give your username or email and password here. Then click Login. Now you see the detail of the course. Enrollment is completed. Thank you very much.